Hey guys, today ended up in $135 in profit, and for now I'm only doing it with the My Funded Futures account after what happened last week. As you can see, started the day from $52,035, ended up at $52,170. Had a little bit of annoying London session. Not too much was happening. It was trying to go through 18,072, but then retraced back down and then finally went up there. But fortunately, I was able to make some gains on this sell-off during the New York AM session. But the thing I wanted to share with you guys is that where is it? Is that actually I'm looking to add more accounts in the future. So right now I only have this one, but again I am willing to add more, and this is the account that I'm sharing with you guys every single day. I mean, this one actually survived last week. It was really terrible, but as you can see, it I'm trading it pretty much every day regularly, and so far on Friday I closed with a nice profit. So today is going to be here on the 18th, and I'm very glad about this account. It shows from my end, it shows proper risk management, and it shows that, I mean, it gives me enough confidence to continue on this route. I know my numbers are not the greatest, I know that, so my profit factor is not that good. My win ratio is somewhat okay, but I'm happy about the results, and I'm trading micros, so I think I'm in a good way to get this account to the funded state. Otherwise, my plan is to add at least 2 more accounts for you guys to being able to track the results in the future. And there's going to be Apex accounts, Bulenox accounts, and I just want to say also that this week, today and maybe tomorrow for the last time, the static account at My Funded Futures is still available. So grab my link and use my code. You know, that's the best true cost of funding account with all the you know, stuff that you can add to it, like the end of day trailing, the static drawdown. So end of day trading, come on, the static drawdown, basically, not end of day, come on. So static drawdown, the payout policies, the consistency rule, which is none. So everything is perfect with the static account at My Funded Futures. Go for it if you can. So this is my progress. I'm gonna be adding some more accounts. I was just thinking, should I be doing the YOLO of those accounts on live stream, or should I be doing it off stream? I think I'm gonna do it live stream. You know, that's much more interesting. I want to regain a few accounts, at least 2 more to being funded, so we can start off April with at least 1 or maybe 2 funded accounts, because that's the goal, being funded at multiple prop firms. That's what I'm looking for, and I appreciate for everyone's support, mostly, and I'm gonna do a separate video, mostly because you guys are using my codes and links, and that helps out a lot. That helps me out to survive, to be here, to do this as my main job, which I love. So thank you again. Updates are coming, but this is just my daily recap. So thank you again, and see you guys on the streams.